If you're looking for a reliable way to keep your smartphone or tablet accessible while driving, the CM117-SBH long arm extension windshield suction car mounting pedestal is worth considering. This mount serves as a perfect replacement or upgrade for your existing Arkon mount pedestal, delivering more reach and flexibility for your device setup. Designed to work seamlessly with Arkon's universal smartphone and tablet holders, this pedestal supports models like the Slim Grip Ultra Universal Smartphone and Midsize Tablet Holder, SM0602, and the Mega Grip Universal Smartphone Holder, SM0402. Keep in mind, the holders are sold separately, so you can customize your setup based on your device size and preferences. Installation is straightforward and hassle-free. The suction base sticks firmly to your windshield, and with a simple push of the one-touch lever, it locks in place securely. No complicated tools or extra parts are needed, making it easy to install or remove as you need. What really stands out is the telescoping arm, which extends from 14.5 inches to 18.5 inches. This gives you the flexibility to position your device exactly where it's most comfortable and safe to use while driving. Whether you're using a smartphone or a mid-size tablet, you'll appreciate how accessible your device stays without obstructing your view. For those with larger tablets or different mounting needs, Arkon also offers the Universal Tablet Windshield Suction Extension Mount, TAB CM117, and the Rigid Extension Windshield Suction Mount with Telescoping Arm, SM6CM117. Both are available on Amazon and provide additional options for a tailored in-car setup. Customers praise the CM117-SBH for its solid construction and durability. One user shared how their previous mount survived an accident with their car, highlighting the product's toughness and long-lasting design. That kind of reliability matters when you're relying on your mount every day. If you want a sturdy, flexible, and easy-to-use mounting solution that keeps your device within reach in your hands on the wheel, the CM117-SBH long arm extension windshield suction pedestal fits the bill. Worth a look if you're upgrading your current setup or just want a better way to mount your phone or tablet in the car. Try it when you're ready to enjoy safer, more convenient device access on the road. With its compatibility, strong suction, and adjustable arm, this mount offers a smart upgrade that makes a real difference during your drive.